Well, welcome back to Channel. Today I'm working on an exhaust system, and one of the real cool tools that I wanted to share with you is these exhaust pliers removal tool, and this is something that's a must-have. I bought a cheaper pair a couple of years ago, and I finally wisened up and got a good pair. Now, I'm not known for buying all the right tools for the jobs, as you've seen in some of my other videos, but this is definitely something that you want to put in your toolbox. So basically all you need to do is you just take it and you put it down like that, push up against here, and it's going to move that grommet right out of the way. Now this is kind of a tight quarters here. I'm going to go ahead and remove that bottom one as well, just like this. And there you go, quick and simple. Now I've used a screwdriver, and we've all done that, a couple screwdrivers and vice grips and kind of pull it off, but this is really something that you want in your arsenal of tools. So I hope this helps you, and I'll put a link down below. Thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.